In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Google and YouTube apps on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. You will do everything from your main admin dashboard, so make sure you are in the correct store. Once you are in, look at the left-hand sidebar. You have two good options to find the app. You can use the search feature, which is the fastest method if you already know the name, or you can go directly into the Apps section, where Shopify lists and manages your installed apps. Now, in the search field, type Google and YouTube. As the results appear, take a moment to confirm you are selecting the official app. The key detail to look for is the publisher, which should be Shopify. This matters because there can be similar-looking apps, and using the official one helps ensure the right integrations and support. When you are on the app listing page, click Install. Shopify may show you a summary screen explaining what data will sync between your store and Google services. Read through it so you understand what is being connected, especially product details and store information. Then continue through the prompts, sync your data if prompted, and click Install again to confirm. If Shopify asks for permissions, approve them so the app can function properly. After the installation finishes, the app will open. At this point, you will connect your Google account. Click Connect Google Account and sign in with the Google account that owns the services you want to link, specifically your Merchant Center, Google Ads, and your YouTube channel. Using the correct account is important because it determines which catalogs, ad accounts, and channels the app can access. Once you complete the sign-in, follow any on-screen prompts to grant access. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check that you are not signed into the wrong one in your browser before you confirm. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.